All right, guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Just got this in from Callaway and super excited to open it, so let's check it out. Like a kid on Christmas. All right, guys. For all you don't know, I am a huge Callaway guy. Everything is Callaway. Well, okay. This is the new Opus wedge. You got to see this with the tungsten weight, the spin face, spin gen technology face. This is the 60 with the 10S grind. Wow, can't wait to hit that. All right, let's see what else is in here. These are almost too pretty to play with. All right, this is the 56 with a 12S grind. Yeah, it's a good looking club. What do you guys think? You like the new wedges? Tell me what you think in the comments. Yeah, I think they look good. We'll see. Tell me what you think, guys.